The number one reason they will be stubborn, it's because they make the decision to leave you. And you know what happened? They told everyone that was their decision and they were right. Mm-hmm. So it's kind of like they engage socially. That is something that you need to remember. They engage socially on their decision. Number two, it's because if they come back, they will be judged. So because of their ego, because of the social, because of the idea that people will judge them, they don't want to come back. They don't want to come back. And they will only come back if they have to, because you have changed, because you can make them create emotions. Mm-hmm. But the reason why they are so stubborn, it's most of the time because of what people will think of them. Imagine they will be complaining to their family, to their friends, to their coworkers. They unfortunately maybe talk down about yourself. And now they have to tell everyone that they made a mistake. Nobody wants to be in this position.